In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and how to make sure your new teammate has the right access from day one. To begin, open Pipedrive and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click your profile icon to open the main settings menu. This is where you manage your account and company level options. So it's the best place to start whenever you're making changes that affect your whole team. From that menu, go to Company Settings. This section controls everything that applies across your organization. It's where user management lives, so you won't have to dig around in separate menus later. Next, click Manage Users. This page shows you everyone who currently has access to your Pipedrive account, along with their status and role. If you're planning to grow your team, it's helpful to scan this page to understand who's already in and which permissions are in place. Now, click the +Add User button. This opens a simple form where you'll enter the new teammate's details. Keep an eye out for any notifications about available seats or plan limits. Depending on your subscription, you may need a spare seat to invite someone new. Enter the person's name and their email address. Make sure you use the email they actively monitor, ideally their work address, since the invitation will be delivered there. Typos here will delay access, so it's worth double checking the spelling before you move on. Next, set the user's role and permissions. Choose the role that matches what they need to do, whether that's a standard user focused on deals, someone who can see team-wide data, or an admin who can configure settings. If you're unsure, start with the least access required and adjust later. Clear permissions help protect your data while keeping your teammate productive. When everything looks good, click Send Invite. Pipedrive will email the team member an invitation to join your account. Let them know to watch for the message and to check their spam or promotions folder if it doesn't appear right away. Once they accept the invite, they'll be guided through logging in or creating their account, and they'll land in Pipedrive with the permissions you selected. That's it. You open Settings, went to Company Settings, managed users, added your teammate, set their permissions, and send the invite. If needed, you can always return to Manage Users to resend an invitation or adjust roles later. Thanks for watching.